All right, guys, big news for Axie Infinity. The Ronin mobile wallet is now live, and this is great. So now you can access your Ronin mobile wallet on your iOS or Android device. So what's really cool is you can go to this site here, wallet.roninchain.com, and you can get the mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. So once we've got it on from the App Store, this is how you sync your Ronin mobile wallet with the extension that you have on your browser. So you're gonna go to the Ronin Wallet extension and go to Account Settings and Sync with Mobile. So you go here and then Account, Settings, Sync with Mobile. Okay, so now it's gonna show this QR code. Do not share this code with anyone. This is private just for you. So in this video, I'm gonna click reveal and then I'm gonna scan it with the mobile app. And I'm gonna press scan QR code and allow it to access the camera. And on my mobile, it's saying it's syncing the data and it's provided a PIN number there. And here it says confirm sync. To confirm this sync with my particular device, which is an iPhone 7 Plus. And so I'm gonna put in the code and confirm that. So now it's been synced with the mobile Ronin wallet. And on mobile, what I can do is I can create a 6-digit PIN. So this PIN will help secure my Ronin wallet. And it can also enable the biometric login. And so I will enable that. Now my wallet has been imported and I can access it on my mobile device, which is pretty awesome. So that's how you sync your Ronin wallet extension to the new mobile app that allows you to use your Ronin wallet while on the go on your mobile. So if you're excited about this, let me know in the comments. And if you have any questions, you can leave those in the comments as well.